Episode 6, by the way. Let's see. Circles. What does that mean? Oh, double piece to check if she's still doing it. Okay, I see. She has anxiety. Oh, feel bad. So you can mess up your mind pretty hard. I say it's like mind. It's not really in their mind. It's like another dimension or domain. Like you're inside the devil's domain now. We're on his playing field. Like all of this is what's happening is real. It's not in their mind, but it's a mind fuck. Okay, seems normal. Can you look outside the window? Aha. I thought there was a light reflection, but it's not. Okay, so behind this time. Oof, okay. What a great opening, by the way. Is this the gun devil, maybe? Gone. Wait, no, this gone. That's so fucking cool, by the way. What's the clock saying? Pah! Denji. Aha.
閉じ込める力を使ったまま死んだんだ。その悪魔が悪い。ルナが殺せと言ったんじゃ。言ってね。力は悪魔の死のが解除されるから。それはありえない。さっきの悪魔をおとりにまんまとはめられたって。
So because you killed that small devil, it activated the domain or something.
初めてだね。でも俺たちがここからずっと帰ってこなかったら他のデビルハンターが助けに来て。
Yeah, but they won't enter the 8th floor. They will enter the normal 8th floor. It's in the hotel, but not the 8th floor you're in, because it's like a different like dimension of the devil. What will you do, man? Oh. What about you? Oh. Sheesh. Against your will. Terrible fucking parents. Damn. What the fuck is wrong with you, man? You're such a... It's because she doesn't understand, like she has no human feelings. Okay, she kinda does, but like she doesn't have empathy. There has to be a way, right? 8:18.
どの部屋の時計も8時18分で止まっていました。悪魔の力で時間が止まっている可能性があります。その場合、助けは来ないかもしれません。
That's a very scary thought, by the way. No. I don't think you understand the situation, Denji.
そうなるかもしれねえし、ならねえかもしれねえだろ。分かったら起こして。こんないいベッドがあんだ。
Denji is so nonchalant about this. I owed the devil for this nap. No way, he just fell asleep just like that. What the fuck? Okay, Denji. I think that what if the devil is also hiding somewhere on the 8th floor? Okay, how long has it been? You can't. I guess you can't tell how long has it been because of the clock. His lights are on. What if he's in the vents? Aww.
パワーがどうかしたんです？わしは暇だからノーベル賞を考えておった。
The noble price for what?
人間はわしにひれ伏すじゃろうて。手始めに消費税は 100% じゃ。
いつも通りっすね。
Actually, so funny. Inside the clock. Oh, it's a late 18. This is so fucking creepy. It's like just like back rooms, literally.
最後のタバコ。私はゆっくり休んでていいの。あとニコチンの力。何かに寄りかかっていきたい人生ですよ。
それあいつと同じタバコじゃん。
Cool.
そりゃあきくんにタバコの味を教えて。
bad influence. Come on now.
はないの？
Oh, you changed.
付き合いがあるから吸えた方がいい。
It is great for socializing because what else do you do at break, at work or like university? You go on break. What do you do? Like blow bubbles? It's a great way to socialize, but it just fucks you up.
なんで公安来たのか当ててあげる。
Oh my god, she's gonna nail it.
悪魔を殺すためでしょ。
Oh my god, even the specific
公安に
devil.
来る暗めの人は全員そうだから。
Ah,
こと許されてるもんね。
I see.
デビルハンターなんて短命なんだから吸っちゃえばいいのに。
Damn.
簡単には死なない。
バディが死ぬのは面倒だからさ。
Yeah, I mean she knows she has lost 6 partners or what? That's her girlfriend.
なんだ今の。
あれは前のバディの彼女さ。トラブルになるのはよく
I see.
悪魔に仕返しできる力がないから私に当た
Yeah,
る。
that's the next person they can take it up
そう
on.
いうのもデビルハンターの
Like, oh, how did you not save him? How did you not save her? Things like that. Like, oh, you could have saved him.
仕事だって
Yeah.
思うことにしてるけど。
Damn.
殴ったやつの服にこっそりガムつけてやった。
Oh my god.
やられたらやり返すべきだ。あいつは服についてるガムに気づかず生きていくんだ。
That will show her, right? That's fun. That is funny.
でも勇敢なやつでもないって。
What did they fear then?
頭のネジがぶっ飛んでるやつだって。
Ah, then she's gonna be perfect for that.
長生きできそう。
Okay, so screw loose as well. I guess in that, yeah, it is. Almond tofu, that sounds bussin'.
一本あげる。長い付き合いになりそうだから吸ってほしいな。
Damn.
一本だけ吸ってやる。
Just one? Yeah, sure, buddy.
この一本だけだ。姫野先輩、タバコ残ってます。
Yep.
だね。これ最後の一本。しょうがないな。
キスだ。ずるい。関節キスだ。黙れ。
Just like a child, man. I know, like, it's why. You know why.
殺した悪魔がいだろう。
What
わ
the...
しが殺したやつじゃな。
Yeah, good job,
そい
power.
つがどんどん大きくなってる。
Wait. What do we do with it? Oh my god, look how many faces. Are those all the victims?
見たこともない刑事。
Contract a human. Imagine.
契約だと。
Watch that. That's why. I don't. Nope. Look at Power's face. Oh my god, look at Power's face. Power is so ready. Also, don't believe a devil. He might be like, oh, I'll let you live in peace. Even if you give denji, there's no guarantee he will actually let you go, by the way. Power's face is so funny, dude. Oh, smart. Wait, this is Aki. Aki's gonna... Oh, never mind. It's not smart. Aki. Not Aki, sorry. Kibeno. Aki's there. Arai. Yeah, Arai was the other guy's name. That looks like Leore a little bit. Yeah, I mean, she's full of anxiety and... Yeah. Yeah. Whoa. Poor girl. Can't blame her. This is like to make in... This devil is having fun.
狐で飲み込めば終わるんじゃない？
Can Kon even... Ooh. So fucking cool. Oh, he can't come here. Yeah.
じゃ私のゴーストでやるか
Oh. It's like an unseen hand. Oh, it's getting bigger. It's gonna swallow us. Wait, oh. Ooh. It's lying. Yep, his stomach. Yeah, I can see it now. It's literally his stomach, but it gives the illusion of the 8th floor.
どうせ俺を殺しても外には出さねえくせによ
Exactly.
ないよ
Oh.
契約ってあの悪魔は
Oh, it's guaranteed.
悪魔が使う契約って言葉には強い力があるの守れず破った方は死ぬ
I see, so the
だから
contract
デン
actually
ジ
holds
君を
weight.
殺せば出られるのは本当だよ
姫野先輩そいつは殺すべきです
But
その悪魔の契約を受けるべきです
I understand how you feel, man, but
デンジの死が悪魔側の利益になるんだろう
then she can kill him in Chainsaw Man mode.
じゃあ私も
そう
わしは殺す派じゃ
Okay, power.
魔人と悪魔は契約を結べない
Noble price are
だ
overrated
からお
anyway.
前がデンジを殺しても悪魔を外に出す義理はない俺たちはデビルハンター
Mm-hmm.
殺すのは悪魔だけだ
Wow, Aki.
暇だから押し相撲するか
すぐ俺を殺そうとするからやだ
Oops, accident. Denji is dead. I didn't mean to. Oops.
奴を殺すことはできないでもデンジも
Wait, so if it's his stomach, why can't we? I guess if you break the floor, break the roof, isn't that like breaking his stomach, kinda? Or you can't do that. If you break the roof, you're just gonna come from the floor. But like, doesn't it hurt him if you like just start destroying this place because it's basically his stomach?
だけどこのままじゃ餓死しちゃうぞ
刀使えば解決できんならよ使えばいいじゃん
Okay, so what's up with the katana? Maybe Aki has to give his life or something?
刀は使わないデンジ君が死んで
ベッドに置いておいた食料が
Hmm.
全部ない
Power aided.
なんで
Yep. And she's gonna lie.
貴様が全部食べたのか
わしじゃないデンジが食べておったわ
すぐバレる嘘
分かっちゃった
Oh.
その魔人の力で8階から出られない
And she's
絶対そうだ違うが
落ち着けコメリちゃんこいつは血の魔人で
魔人をかばうの私たちデビルハンターなの
yeah,
に
she's not thinking straight.
君は絶対スパイだ
Yeah, this devil likes it when there's like infighting.
先輩
Oh my fucking god. Ooh! Denji, I'm telling you, turn into chainsaw and start cutting the walls. Did we kill Arai? Ah, with fear. It grows with fear, makes more sense now. Ooh, they're really out to get Denji. Ah, oh, whoa, 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 whoa. I can see its eyes inside, like he's real. Oh my god. It's done messing around, I guess. Ooh.
いよいよまずいですよそいつを悪魔に食わせましょう
刀を使う
What does that mean? Nope.
姫野先輩
Nope. Oh
お
wow.
いあんた何してん
I
だ
guess when using the
そ
sword
の
that
刀を使えば外には出られるだろうけどアキ君の寿命がかなり減る
she doesn't want
ア
that.
キ君はまだやらなきゃいけないことがたくさんある
It shortens your lifespan.
ごめんねデンジ君
But if it's to save everyone, power man. Whoa. Aki. Sheesh. Fuck, wait, what now?
刺されても仕方のない胸くその悪い野郎だが銃の悪魔を殺そうとしている、俺一人じゃ銃の悪魔を殺せないんだ
Ah, need stingy for
奴を
that.
殺すには俺の寿命を減らしてでも 天地は殺させない。
He's gonna use the sword. He's gonna break free and use the sword.
お前血の魔人なんだろ。こいつの血止められるか。
Yeah, make the. Oh, I was like harden the blood so he doesn't bleed out. Can't do that, I guess. It's a challenge, but it's doable. Wow, so selfish. Oh, look at Himeno. Damn. All those partners she has lost in the past. Oh. I never seen Himeno like. Never seen Himeno like that.
でも俺も抵抗すっからよ。
Just gonna pull the
もし俺が
chainsaw.
悪魔をぶっ殺すようなことがあったら。チュー、まだ忘れてねえからな。
Oh yeah, she has no idea.
なんだか知らねえが、俺のチェーンソーにビビって
Got
やが
up the stomach somehow, you
だから
know.
自分じゃ手出せなくて、てめえらに俺を殺すよう言ってんだ。
Smart Denji.
それに。
悪魔みたいな発想じゃな。
外出れたら貸し借りなしだからな。
Damn. Fucking goat, by the way. Come on, now! Whoa, I can see. That's actually fucking creepy as hell. No! Are we gonna just cliffhanger just like that, by the way? Ooh, cool ED. But the whole episode, the first like 12 minutes was like full of dialogue of them figuring out what's happening, and I really enjoyed it. Like, I know it's like more slow based, but we read more about Himeno and Haki's relationship and how it developed, and then like arguments and the conflicts they had inside of the group of what to do next and what to do with Denji and stuff like that, and you know, losing sanity and even seeing Himeno react that way. I just think this episode is fantastically directed and written, the manga, I guess. And apparently, like, if Aki uses his sword, his lifespan will shorten, and Himeno does not want that. Himeno wants him to live long, even though like he still smokes, so he's gonna die sooner anyway. But I guess it's compared to him using the sword, it's like not. It's significantly less, or he's gonna like die significantly sooner if he uses the sword. Anyway. Great episode. I watched episode 6. I'm gonna watch episode 7 maybe later today, but definitely tomorrow. And I'll see you soon. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.